In this video, I am going to be going over Microsoft Surface Event 2021, where they announce a whole bunch of big announcements, and we're going to be going over them in this video. We're going to go over, after that, over 3 products also that Microsoft announced at this event, as that's what we're going to be doing for this video. First of all, we have the Surface Pro 8. That wasn't something that Microsoft announced. And we have the Surface Laptop Studio that also Microsoft announced that. Also, there's the Surface Duo 2, the foldable phone of Microsoft. But it's less of a foldable phone, more of like a phone with 2 screens that are like separate and they're both on the same device. That's what I would more call this, so to say, foldable phone by Microsoft. That's what I would call it more of, because it doesn't really fold. And we have the Microsoft Surface Slim Pen 2 that's built-in haptics that are really good. Also, we have the Surface Go 3 that they refreshed with the new Intel processor. That's really nice. Also, they added a new Surface Active kit that lets you make a Surface more accessible. And the last thing that they announced is the new Microsoft friendly mouse that's made with 20% recycled ocean plastic. And that's really nice that Microsoft are doing that, but not really that much necessary, as it's only 20%. That's not really that much of a big deal, but whatever. Anyways, the Surface Duo 2. This is the first one of the products that they announced, as it's their 2-screen phone that they announced on. That, as you can see in the photos, that's how it looks. Quite a big camera bump, as you can see in the photos. Priced at $1,500. That's quite expensive for a foldable phone right now, because obviously I think Samsung phones are better and they're possibly even cheaper, as you may want to go for that. Obviously it's 2 screens, 5G, built-in camera, and more. We can see all the specs, whatever, the processor, all of these stuff. If you want, you can go to the website, go over exactly what specs of camera, display, and all of those stuff it is. But one thing we should go over is the processor. That's quite important. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform. That's the processor. Obviously, you can continue and go over much more stuff right here on their websites, and that's quite interesting to go through. And if we go back and go over the overview of the product, we can see we have the typical product itself. You know, it comes with a whole bunch of services and more that you can see. We have the apps that it comes with, all the 5G, the gaming, all of those stuff that they say, the stream on 2 screens, and all of those stuff. They're really nice and neat to have. Anyways, we can see more stuff on the website here. Not really such a big deal. On the next product, we have the new Surface Laptop Studio that comes in at $1,600. This is a great laptop to buy if you want. It has great performance, a 14.4 inch display. It has a new Intel 11th generation processor, and it works really well. It has obviously the powerful connections, Wi-Fi 6, the Thunderbolt 4, and USB 4.0, and all of the really nice stuff that you would want on a new type of computer. It does come in quite a hefty price, but there is some professionals that would want it, and content creators, as it seems that this is what this laptop is targeted at. It obviously comes with an Intel Core i7 and a RTX 3050 Ti, and you can obviously get a downgraded version with an Intel i5 and a Intel Iris graphics card. Also, it's obviously targeted at creatives, as is Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and all of those nice stuff that you can have. And also there's the whole gaming part of it. It also comes with a very nice 120Hz display and a whole bunch of other things that you can go over in their websites. It's not really important. Also, there's the Surface Pro 8 that is really nice. It's a laptop, it can have a kickstand, it can be in tablet mode, it comes with a pen. It's all the nice stuff and gimmicks and whatever. I wouldn't really consider buying, obviously, any of these laptops. I'd rather just get a regular laptop and pay for it less money, because they do come in quite a high price, all of these. But it does come with also the new Core i7, the 11th generation Intel CPUs. I think a Core i7, if I'm correct, good cooling, all the new connections like Thunderbolt, whatever. It's portable, it weighs 1.96 pounds. That's really nice to have. And all the new stuff connect with LTE. You can put, let's say, a SIM card and whatever inside it, and all of the nice stuff that comes with such a laptop. As I wouldn't buy it myself, but for other people and certain creative, this is the perfect and good laptop for them, as I would recommend on buying it. But there's still not official reviews and people going over in depth on it, and that's it. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we come out with new videos.